Welcome to this Alan Talks Tech presentation on modulation and QAM basics. So let's take a look at a couple of the different types of MCS indexes that can be used as a quick guide to give you an indication on the throughput. So here we have the MCS index, which covers 802.11a, b, g and n. So starting off with the least effective throughput, if you like, we'd have an MCS index of 0 with one spatial stream using BPSK, a coding rate of half or 50%, and using a guard interval of 800 nanoseconds would only give us a throughput of 6.5 megabits. But if we go to MCS index 31, which is theoretically possible today with 802.11n using 4 spatial streams and 64 QAM, using a coding rate of 5.6, we could actually achieve, using a guard interval of only 400 nanoseconds, we could actually achieve a throughput of 600 megabits. Now, this is actually using two different indexes. We've got the high throughput MCS index for 802.11n on the left, and we've got the 802.11ac very high throughput MCS index. These indexes are going to repeat themselves for the spatial streams. So for example, if we look on the right, we can see values going from 0 all the way through to 9, and this is going to represent all the different permutations using one spatial stream for 802.11ac. Let's move through the table a little bit and get up to 4 spatial streams. As indicated previously, using 4 spatial streams with a 40 megahertz channel on 802.11n, we're going to get up to 600 megabits of throughput. This is pretty much the maximum today, using 64 QAM, the most efficient encoding rate for 802.11n. But if we look at the same bandwidth, 40 megahertz, but using 256 QAM with 802.11ac, we can see a significant improvement. We can get up to 800 megabits of throughput using 4 spatial streams. But by using additional bandwidth, we can move this up from over 1.5 gig to finally just under 3.5 gig using 4 spatial streams and 256 QAM with 160 megahertz. Today though, most products are going to be shipping supporting 80 megahertz channels, so a maximum throughput of about 1.7 gig may be possible with 4 spatial streams. But looking ahead into the future, if we start to use 8 spatial streams with 256 QAM, you can see using the very high throughput MCS index for 8 spatial streams, that is an MCS index of 9, we can get just shy of 7 gig of throughput. So there's plenty of architectural headroom with this technology, and the future of 802.11ac looks very exciting. So thank you very much for watching this Alan Talks Tech presentation on modulation and QAM basics. Hope you enjoyed it. Once again, thank you for viewing.